Welcome back to another episode of Current Affairs MCQs. Staying updated with current affairs is essential for success in any competitive exam. Let's discuss today's questions on recent happenings around the world. Consider the following with reference to RBI's bank lending rate. 1. The marginal standing facility, MSF, rate is always higher than the repo rate. 2. The bank lending rate is influenced only by the repo rate set by the RBI. 3. The bank lending rate has a direct impact on consumer loans and home loans. 4. RBI uses the bank lending rate to control inflation. How many of the above are correct? A. Only 1, B. Only 2, C. Only 3, D. All 4. Answer B. 1 and 3 only. Statement 1 is correct. The marginal standing facility, MSF, rate is the rate at which commercial banks can borrow money from the RBI against government securities in times of emergency. Statement 2 is incorrect. The bank lending rate is not influenced only by the repo rate. Statement 3 is correct. The bank lending rate is the interest rate at which banks lend to their customers, and it directly affects the cost of consumer loans, home loans, and other types of loans. Statement 4 is incorrect. The RBI does not directly control inflation by setting the bank lending rate. Consider the following with reference to the Indian Armed Forces. 1. The Chief of Defence Staff, CDS, is the principal military advisor to the Defence Minister of India. 2. The Indian Navy is responsible for safeguarding India's land borders with neighbouring countries. 3. The Indian Air Force operates under the administrative control of the Ministry of Home Affairs. How many of the above are correct? A. Only 1, B. Only 2, C. All 3, D. None. Answer A. 1 only. Statement 1 is correct. The Chief of Defence Staff, CDS, is a 4-star general and the principal military advisor to the Defence Minister on tri-service matters, Army, Navy, and Air Force. Statement 2 is incorrect. The Indian Navy is responsible for maritime security, coastal defence, and protecting India's interests in the Indian Ocean and beyond. Statement 3 is incorrect. The Indian Air Force, IAF, is one of the 3 wings of the Indian Armed Forces and functions under the Ministry of Defence, not the Ministry of Home Affairs.